Geotag Explorer here. Today I am geocaching again. Today I'll be switching from my faithful 4x4 to my bike 2. I don't know what you call it. I don't ride bike that much, so I hope I don't get my butt whooped today. We got a series of geocaches to find today. I'm located right now in a well-known city here in Portugal, Leiria. So let's see how it goes. Take you through it. I'm at my first location. GPS says we're about a meter away. Oh, I think I already spotted. Look at that. There we go. I'm gonna sign the log and head to the next one. Second one of the day. The GPS has taken me to the street. Ground zero is right over there. So I think that's where it is. Let's see. These things are usually open. Nothing. I'm gonna take you inside. Is there anything in there? I feel something. There it is. Yes. That's it. It's the second one. I'm heading to the third geocache. Usually I either walk or take my 4x4, but today I am bike ready. We're about 65 meters away from the cache and we're making a left. I don't know where. Oh. We're making a left through there. Okay, we're on our third one. The hint says near the base. There's an old tree stump over there. That's where the coordinates point to be. Okay, so it says near the base. Near the base. Oh, I think I already see it. Covered by some twigs. There we go. So that's my third find for today. This was supposed to be an easy bike ride, and it's turning out to be a little bit more complicated than that. Why? Because I have to ride my bike through this. It's difficult as it is walking, let alone on a bike. Anyway, it's all for the love of geocaching. I'm at ground zero for my fourth cache. The hint says look in the middle. Man, I hate these thorns. Ow. Gosh darn it. These things are horrible. Okay, so look in the middle. I'm gonna go the other way around. Sometimes I have the tendency of complicating. Haha. I guess that's what we're looking for. Found. Right. Cool. The trail, I'm gonna fall. The trail did get better. All right, can't do this with just one hand. Why? Because just when I was saying that the trail was getting better, it's not. Okay, I'm on my fifth cache. Came through there and I'm right this side is wooden post, and it says near the base. Let's look near the base. Oh, I see some. I see. Oh, I see it. I see it. There it is. Let's log it and go to the next one. Alright, I'm by ground zero. This is a family park. It's a high muggle area. I'm gonna have to use my geocaching stealth techniques. The hint says tree. Ground zero is right here. So I'm wondering, is it the one on the ground? Is it the bigger one? I'm gonna look. This is supposed to be one of those small tubes. Alright, so I did give up on that one. It is high muggle area. It's a really nice park, so I will be coming back. Okay, I'm on my 7th cache. Cache is called Bridge, and it says under. Alright, so I'm going under. Oh yeah, I see it. Found. Let's sign the logbook and head to the next one. Wow, this is really getting complicated. I don't even know where to go. Alright, made it to that part. Now, we're supposed to be getting into this nicer area. This is a really nice spot. Some little wooden bridges by this little creek. Alright, I just arrived at my 8th cache. It's called Ninho, which means nest. I'm at ground zero. I do spot right away what seems to be a little birdhouse. Let's go check it out. I wonder if it's the cache. See it right there? I'm hoping it's the cache. There we go. There is this, which is full of I don't know what. And there is another one. Holy crap, there is a nest of I don't know what in there. Look at these things. That thing is full, they're falling out. Now, I got 2 of these. Ouch. Great. Because of the stupid bugs, now I let one drop. Don't like. No likes. I'm gonna go down, see if one of these is the logbook. Good thing it didn't fall in the water. Okay, I did open them up, and one is the logbook. This little paper inside saying, try again. The other one is the logbook, so I'll be signing that and I'll be on my way. Try again. I'm on to my 9th cache. This one's called Hobbit. No need to translate that one. It's a little nice area of the woods. Coordinates point me in that direction. The hint says open the door. Come on, let's go look for the cache. Oh wow, these pine cones are really nice. They've got pine seed inside. I'll be taking this one with me. Awesome. Okay, so back to the cache. I think someone left the door open. It says open the door. Okay, let me remove these things. And the container's right here. Really like this one. That one deserves a favorite point. Really like that one. Okay, 10th cache of the day. This is ground zero. The hint says just pull. Let's look for it. I think it's near this pole. Yes, it is. Just pull. And look. Just pull. And we just pulled, and there's the cache. Let's log it and go to the next one. We are at ground zero. This is my 11th cache. It's called Idle. It's beside this abandoned structure. It says on the left beside the roof tiles. Oh, there's some roof tiles on the floor. Let's go look for the cache. I see a lot of roof tiles. I think I already spotted it. I was looking on the floor and I saw something shining underneath this tile. There it is. So, found. Alright, I'm gonna log it and head to the next one. Since I love abandoned structures, I can't resist without going inside and take a peek. Let's go inside and check it out. You can clearly tell that this is not in the greatest condition. The roof there has started to fall. You got some old tiles. You got an old land grader. It used to be for grading dirt in the farm fields. Okay, cool structure. Time to go to the next one. All right, we just arrived. It used to be mill. Let's see in what condition the roof is in. Let's go have a look. An old shovel. If anyone has an urge to work, it's a good exercise machine right there. And we got a really old bicycle. Now, why do I say this? Because this bike does not use cables. It's just levers, see? But you would pull on these and they would all use like levers, and they would come all the way down there, pull it there, and pull on the brake. It's really cool. Alright, so let's go find the cache. It's not in here. That's wise, because this is quite dangerous.